Hello, I received your question. You want to find the critical value here necessary to form a confidence interval at the level of confidence indicator. So level of confidence is 0.81. So they're referring to the standard normal curve. So I'm trying to draw a normal curve here, and what we're told is this corresponds to an area under it of 0.81. Right here's the mean, and it'll be centered right at the mean. The total area under the normal curve is 1, and so first thing you got to do is 1 minus 0.81, which would give you 0.19, and so that, the total area under here is 1. This portion of it's 0.81, and so these two areas here, which are equal, the sum of them would be 0.19. Since they're equal, we just take half of 0.19 here, and that will be 0.095. And so the area here will be 0.095, and the area here will be 0.095. So the total area is 1, and it's broken into 3 parts. We're given this area is 0.81, and that leaves 0.095 for this area and this area. Now we're wanting this critical value, I guess, right here. Okay, we want that critical value there. What I probably do is the easiest way is to find the critical value, find this critical value, and then take the absolute value of it, give you this one. The absolute value of these are same. One will be a negative and one will be a positive. And so what you do is you look up 0.095. Look up 0.095 in the standard normal table to find the z-score. So you look it up, and I think when I looked it up, I'm coming up with, let's see, 0.095. I'm coming up with, well, it's negative 1.331. You see, when I look it up, I get negative 1.31, but we want to enter the positive value. So I just look that number up in the table. It's table 4 for the standard normal curve. I look that up, I get that number here, but we want this positive value. Okay, hope that helps.